Okay, so here we have the Compass auto dimming Homelink mirror. So first you're going to want to clear out the original factory codes. How you do that is you hit the garage door 1, third garage door, like so. You press and hold. Now this, you do have to keep pressed for about 20 seconds. And you're going to see that it starts to blink very rapidly, this little red. Here we go. So when it's blinking rapidly, that means that all preset codes are now erased. So assuming that this is your car and you've got your own little garage door opener in hand, to set the garage door to the first one, you're going to press and hold the number 1. See how it is flashing just gently. Imagine I have the garage door opener in hand. I'm going to hold it this far away. I'm going to press it in. When the signal connects, this will start to blink rapidly. So after that's set, you're gonna go in, and depending on the style of garage door opener you have, on the back of the motor, you're going to hit the seek button, and then you're going to jump in the car, and you're going to hit this garage door 1, 2, about the 3rd or 4th time you'll see the garage door start to open and close. So if you're fortunate enough to have a garage door, boom, now it's set. If you're even fortunate enough to have multiple, you're going to take that same remote and you're going to use the motor on the second door. You're going to first set the remote you just have to that one, and then you're going to repeat the process of selecting 2, connect it to that first remote, then go inside on the back of that motor, do the same thing. If you have a third one, repeat the following steps, the previous steps to do that. But you're not going to clear out any codes. After you initially get the vehicle and you clear out the preset codes that are in it, you'll be ready to go. You can do your garage door, maybe the neighbor's garage door, and mess around with them, when they're trying to go to work. Or maybe not do that. Maybe do it on a Saturday, one time, and then tell them, because they're going to probably freak out. Let's be more realistic. Maybe the summer home, the lake house, your in-laws, grandparents, anything like that. Any place where you would need to get in there and they may not be home, but you have their permission, you can have the garage door set. We're going to go to the back seat. I'm going to show you that it has its own independent air conditioning. So up front we have dual climate control with automatic AC. So if you wanted to be at really hot, cameraman's gonna be on high temperature, so he's at 86, I'm at 68. If we wanted to sync them both together, now we're both at 68 and climbing or lowering. Now that's the front part of the cab, our passengers up here. In the back, we have one AC vent in the center here. Well, it's actually 2 European style, these circular ones that will go all like that. Open, close, and directional. But it's got its own hot or cold. So the next cut here, I'm going to show you that back there. And one other thing that we have in the back that's really cool for your passengers. Okay. So me being a 6 foot tall guy, and I've not moved these seats, so these are the same as they were when I was driving. I still have plenty of my space room, head-wise, knees, shoulders. 3 adult men would be squished just a little bit, but you could fit them back here. 2 adults, perfectly fine. So here we have my own AC. So I've got them, they were closed. Let's turn them on. I can go hot, indicated by the red squares, or cold. I've also got me a fast charging port and a regular 12 volt. Now on the inside of the door is my heated seats. So it's outboard rear heated, which means this section right here, okay, will be heated. And that's just on your door there, you can see. Inside here, we've got our own little armrest / cup holder. You also have little storage areas in the sides of the doors, mat pockets, or whatever else you'd like to put in there. So, coupled with LED interior lighting. One other thing I can't really show you because it's daytime is the ambient lighting that's inside here. You can choose from just about every color in the rainbow, and where it'll appear is you'll see lights coming from where the gas pedal is and the passenger up, like underneath the dash area. You'll see them, and you'll also see it, you know, just throughout little places in the car. So really cool features. Puddle lights that are underneath the doors when you open them up to see, make sure that you're not stepping in any water, or to show you how much you're about to step in. Yeah, so there's many features, probably a whole bunch that I'm forgetting because there's just so much technology in these cars. But I do appreciate you all taking the time to watch the video and learning with me, so have a great day.